Hello guys, my name is Bian, and today I will give you a tutorial how to make a bird from origami. Start with a square piece of origami paper. Follow this instruction to make a square sheet. Fold the paper in half by taking the top and folding it to the bottom corner. The crease should run from the left corner tip to the right. Use your nails to make a sharp crease. After do that, fold the triangle in half by taking the left corner and folding it to the right. Like this. After do that, take the top flap and open it, creasing the left and right sides so you can fold the top or right corner to the bottom corner. Now, we'll turn the paper over and do the same thing to the other side. To do that, lift the left flap up so it stands vertically, like this. After do that, grab the left and right side of the flap and open it up. Crease the side so you can fold the top corner down to the bottom. Like this. Take the both sides of the top layer and fold them into the middle. Then unfold. This step is preparation for the next step. Open the flap upwards and fold the left and right sides inward. Like this. Flip it over and repeat step 8 to 10. It should look like this when you are done. The upper layer of both sides
of a cliff.
and fold the
Realize there must be more
parts into
to
the
life
center
than
like
this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from him, send me tonight. I run away.
Do you can
too
then a portion
far
of it down for
place
it
in
down
this
to form the
world.
head. After bending up or down, twist the sides of the head up so the pieces will stay there. Alright? Then
Standing
look at
on
the
the
down
edge
and
of a cliff,
19
realize there must
great
be
fingers
more
and
to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand